We're here today with a Peal of 3 bronze bells from a famous Dutch foundry. These bells were cast in 1952. They are tuned bells. They were originally in a church in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area. They have now been purchased by a Methodist church, Laurel Heights United Methodist Church in San Antonio, Texas. And they've been here at the Chime Master shop being refurbished. When they were originally taken out of the tower, the frames were rusty. The clappers were not working correctly, and the bearings were old, an odd European style that couldn't be maintained any longer. So we've cleaned the steel up, had it sandblasted, then powder painted, so you've got a nice, beautiful black, shiny surface, and then all new hardware, galvanized hardware primarily, but stainless steel where appropriate. This is a unique peal for an American church. Normally, you would expect to have a major chord. That's the most common musical pattern that you find in churches in the United States. But this is a diatonic peal. It's a G, A, B, so it's whole note steps. It's got a very nice, very interesting sound compared to what you normally hear. The large bell here is 40 inches in diameter, about 1,400 pounds for the bronze, for the bell part of it. This bell does have a tolling hammer. This is a gravity hammer, or drop hammer as people call it. When it has a rope attached to it, the rope will pick it up, and then when you let go, it drops and hits the bell. That gives you that funeral bell sound. The bell's not moving, it's struck, so you hear the impact, you hear the hammer hit the bell, really deep, beautiful tone, and then that emphasizes the resonance or decay of the bell. It makes it sound good. Normally this single bell, this largest bell, would be used as a call to worship or call to mass bell. Kind of the traditional calling bell sound is a single bell swung with a rope. So this bell has a wheel. So a rope or a motor drive can be put on it and the bell can swing either manually or from an automatic controller. And of course then we've got 2 additional bells that blend well with it. The other 2 smaller bells do not have tolling hammers. In this application, they wouldn't normally have them, but they do all have wheels and they are on bearings, so they can be swung. And when they all swing together, you get a beautiful, festive, pealing bell sound. It's the kind of riotous, happy sound that people associate naturally with a wedding or, special occasions in the church, Christmas morning, Easter morning, baptisms, ordinations, anything like that, where you want to say to the church community and the surrounding community, hey, something special is going on here today. People naturally hear that sound and they intuitively know that it's a celebratory event that's happening. The other thing we did that I didn't mention earlier is we did put new clapper assemblies in here that were designed by Royal Ijsbouts in the Netherlands, our foundry partner. They've designed these clappers to really enhance the sound of the bells. They sound great, sound better than they normally do, and they engineer them so they don't need clapper springs. They naturally, because of the balance and the counterweighting, they naturally strike the bell and rebound and don't double strike. So they're maintenance-free and easy to keep adjusted. So it's a great renovation. The folks in San Antonio, I think, are just going to be totally delighted with these bells when they get them in their tower and they're able to ring them the first time.